Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is the Greek Soma. It's an invention by Volker Latusek and as you can see it's again putting Soma pieces into a box, and it's a box of this shape. And it's called Greek Soma because you probably recognize that this is a Greek cross. It also looks a bit like a roadblock. Anyway, the solution is, the goal is to remove the pieces. First get the orange piece out, let's see. Then the green piece goes up and out again. The red piece slides sideways. The gray piece can come out. Next is yellow, and it's all linear sliding. The blue piece. And finally, after 3 moves, the purple piece. So it's a fun puzzle. I really like the elegant shape. Of course, there are some holes, and some of the holes have been filled, but this way it looks elegant. And one of the discussions that Volker and I had is about the name of the puzzle. He calls it Greek cross because it looks like a Greek cross. But I prefer to call it the roadblock because it also looks like a thing that you use as a roadblock. So my question to you is, which name do you prefer? Thank you for watching.